Hi there, I'm going to show in this video how to unlock Wiko Sunny Free based on a Spectrum CPU. We are going to do this using FURIOUSGOLD box and the SPD tool service module from the pack 2. As usual, we have here one sample. As you can see, it is network locked, so it's not accepting a foreign SIM, and it is also not requesting for any unlock code. So let's unlock it. First of all, we need to power it off. And now we go on the SPD tool service module and we go to the diag mode. From here we select the correct model, Wiko Sunny Free. We also have here free generic methods which we can use for devices not listed as supported, but for sure there are much more modules we can support. So we check this, remove SIM lock, and we press connect. Now I'm going to simply insert the USB cable in the powered off phone. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected. Don't touch the phone while the software works. Okay, so this time I'm going to use the direct unlock since the phone is not requesting for any code, so we choose yes. That's it, only 15 seconds. Now let's check the mobile. As you can see, no more network locked message. We have here full signal, orange network registered successfully in this phone. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.